Yeah, good day, guys. This is Chibuza Agowa, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide your friends list on Facebook via mobile. Simply put, we shall be using the Facebook app in this tutorial video. If you can remember, in my last video, I show you or I taught you how we can easily do that is the desktop version. And in that same video, I remember I promised you that I'll be putting up the mobile version, and hey, I'm actually fulfilling my promise now. But in case you're using the desktop version and you want to learn how to do that, though the steps are a bit similar but different in a little way, you can easily go back to the video of which I put yesterday. Yes, you can easily watch that video and learn how to do that on the desktop version. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, you can easily hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release similar tutorial videos just like this. Plugin for Tech is the name of this channel, and we do push out tutorial videos periodically. So once you've done that, now let's get down to business. And the first thing I will do is I'll have to open my Facebook app, which is this. So now we're in my Facebook app, just like how your app will look like. And in case before you proceed, you have to ensure that you're using the current version. If you're using an iOS or an Android, you easily update your Facebook app to make sure it is on the current version before you continue with this step. So now, having done that, now let's get down to business. Now, if you can see, there are three horizontal lines just at the top yes, of your Facebook page. Then you have to just tap on the line. Now it will now take you to this page. All you have to do is to scroll below to the portion that you see settings and privacy. So now you have to tap on it. Now it will now take you to this other page. Now you have to now tap on settings. So when it brings you now to this portion where you see various settings and how you can make changes to your account. Now all you have to do is to tap on the portion that says profile, and you see your name that says public profile, and your name will appear there. So you just have to, yes, this is what I'm talking about. You have to tap on that portion. Then it will now bring you down to this place. Now the next thing you have to tap on privacy. The page is opening now, and this what you now have. You can easily alter so many privacy settings of yours. Now if you scroll down a bit, where you see the portion that says how people can find and contact you, which is now similar to what we saw on the desktop version. Now you see, if you look below, if you see after the first row, the second row, and the third row, now the first row, you said that who can look up using the phone number. No, that's not what I'm looking at. And I can see that who can see your friends list, which is the second row. Yes, now initially mine is on public, so now you have to tap on it. Now if you want to like hide it completely for you alone to see, you can easily do that. You can give some exceptions to some friends, and but actually you said you want to hide it totally for you alone to see. So you now tap on see more. Now see more, once you tap on it, you see like I said, originally mine is on friends. You tap on it, you can choose only me, specific friends, or public. So now if you choose on only me, simply means that you alone can see your friends. Like I said, initially mine was on public, so now I switched it to only me. So once you choose only me, which simply means I'm playing the settings for me alone to see my friends. Now once you've done that, all you have to do, like I did in the desktop version, just go back and back and back, and you see that automatically, if you should use maybe a phone, someone else's phone that is on your friends list, and try to check on your friends, you see that automatically the friends list of yours will be hidden from that person. So with this video, I've shown you how you can simply hide your friends list on Facebook via mobile or using the Facebook mobile app. So with that, like I said, we've all come to this end of this video. So if you want to like still don't miss any tutorial videos of ours. Like I said from the start, you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification. If this tutorial video missed your deed, also give it a thumbs up. And if you want to ask any question, you can go to the comment section, ask your questions, and I will attend to them speedily. So we've come to the end of this video. Anticipate and see me in my next video. So bye bye for now.